Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. It's been a very long time since I've shot for a long format video, and I've been thinking that I should definitely make a video on monthly favorites because it's almost winter season now. The climate is changing. So I thought this would also be the perfect time to introduce you some new products and also recommend some products that have worked really well for me. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is a hair growth serum. This one from Minimalist is something that I've recommended since a very long time. Now, why I like this is because it has genuinely given me very good results. Now, I will be inserting the pictures before using the hair growth serum and the difference that I've got after using this hair serum. Now, you can see that this particular area is filled with new hair and it's also really long. It takes a little bit of time, not just this side, but it's also with this portion. I have started getting new hair, beautifully merged with my hair right now. So I think this product definitely takes a little bit of time. You have to give it at least 6 to 8 weeks to start showing some results, but if you are consistent with it, I'm sure that you will definitely see results. So yeah, I think this is one product that you should definitely have if you're someone who's been facing a lot of hair fall issues. So the second product that I'm going to be talking about is fragrances. Now recently I have been using this body spray from Miniso. Now I remember buying a pocket size version of this and I was obsessed with the fragrance, and this time when I went to Miniso I saw this and I just had to pick it up. And I'm so glad that they've brought it in the form of a deodorant. Now it smells really good. It has a lot of floral touch to it. It's very refreshing in itself, and it also stays for a very long time. Trust me, for a deodorant to stay this long, it's actually very surprising, but I have realized that it does stay for a very long time. Usual deodorants tend to stay for 2 to 3 hours, but this goes on really well till 5 to 6 hours, and I have noticed it personally, and yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. And Miniso fragrances in itself are really good. They have a lot of different varieties as well. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is again from Miniso. So this time I went to Miniso and I came across this waxing strip. So as you guys know that I regularly go for shoots as well. So I had a recent shoot and I couldn't book a waxing appointment because it was very last minute. So yeah, I just randomly tried this waxing strip because I just wanted to get rid of those thick hair and also let go of those uneven hair as well. That is when I got this one. This is the long lasting aloe vera waxing strip. This is by Silky Quick. And it is perfect for full body and legs. It also doesn't leave any sticky residue, and it is useful for sensitive skin. Well, my skin is definitely soft. It looks so better, and especially after all those thick hair went off, I feel so much more better. It gives you that post wax finish as well. Part is I have used other waxing strips as well, but I do get that sticky kind of residue after, like, you know, using the strips, and no matter I use the post waxing thing as well. But here the post waxing oil that they give you, those sheets are really useful and you get rid of the stickiness just in a second. So I would highly recommend this one. Now talking about skin and body, how can I not talk about a body lotion? So I have always recommended the Bath and Body Works body lotions as well, and now since it's a very tricky kind of season, it's very hot again. In the morning it's cold, and it's a very tricky season in itself. I have started experiencing dry skin all over my body, but the reason why I go back to the Bath and Body Works lotion is because again, it gives you 16 hours of continuous moisture. So once you apply the cream, the lotion, it is perfect till the next day. It gives you that hydrating kind of effect as well. And yes, you have to put in a little bit of effort, but I think it's absolutely worth it. I think you should definitely invest in Bath and Body Works because of their beautiful body lotions. As I've been also talking about how, you know, at this point as well, the sun tends to become a little bit harsh, At this point, I have started using body sunscreens, and I have started using it since July or August, and I think I'm never going back to those regular sunscreens, because a body sunscreen is so much more easier to apply. It quickly absorbs as well and also saves you from tan. Sunscreen that I've been using, this is from Be Body Wise. One time application is enough to stick throughout the day. I think it's really good. It quickly absorbs and also doesn't leave any white cast as well, so it absorbs really well. It also saves you from tan and the harsh UV rays, and I think it's very easy to apply. It gives you that perfect easy application kind of thing than the other sunscreens. I have a mixture of summer and winter essentials. Now, during winter season as well, again, we tend to experience dry and chappy lips, and that's exactly why I am recommending this one. This is again a cult favorite. I have recommended this in almost all of my videos. I've talked a lot about the Hyphen VIP lip balms, and the reason why I love it is because it gives you that perfect moisture. It stays for a very long time, and it also has SPF in it, which is extremely important. If you apply to get those hydrated and moisturized lips in the morning, I personally love applying it, and I apply it every single day. It also helps with lip pigmentation as well. So I think it is something that I've been using during summers and especially during winters, because I tend to have those dry lips. So I think it's just really easy, and I really love the Hyphen VIP lip balms. Next product that I'm going to be talking about is a new product that I'm going to be talking. This is by the Underarm Roll-On by Chemist at Play. I have talked a lot of times about the Be Body Wise Underarm Roll-On. Again, it's a very good underarm roll-on, but I want to try a different product because I've also heard a lot of reviews about the Chemist at Play underarm roll-on as well. And again, I am really impressed because it tends to stay for the entire day. I love it personally, and it also helps with pigmentation as well. And I think it's a very good product. I don't have a lot to talk about or differentiate between the Be Body Wise one and the Chemist at Play, because I think they both work really well. Let's talk about makeup. I think I have started using a lot of lip liners as well lately. I have used the Mars one, but unfortunately I am not a very big fan of the Mars lip liner. Instead, I found one on Nykaa, which is again very affordable, but I want to try it out because of the color ranges that they provide. This one from Swiss Beauty is something that I have been using since a very long time. I think it beautifully merges with any lip color. It gives you that perfect outlined lips. It's very creamy, very easy to apply, very smooth on your lips, and it also looks very beautiful. And it is something that I've been using lately for my lip combo looks. Lastly, talking about some lipsticks, I think personally at this point I'm not a really big fan of long lasting lipsticks. For some creamy and matte kind of looks as well, but on days when I don't feel like wearing a heavy lipstick, I tend to go back to my OG lipsticks, which is from Lakme. I think I started using lipsticks with this one personally, which is my favorite. This is in the shade Mild Mauve. This is personally my favorite lipstick, and I remember starting wearing lipsticks using this one because it's very natural, very nude kind of lipstick that you can apply for everyday use. The next lipstick that I'm going to be talking about is again not a long lasting one, but this is from Rimmel London. Now this comes in with a lip gloss, and then we have the liquid lipsticks. But on days when you don't want to apply really dark colors, or if you're done with the brown shades as well, I think you need to go back to your regular pink shades. And I think this color or this shade in general is perfect for office looks or college looks. I think that it's very natural, it's very beautiful, and you can wear it for an everyday basis. The last lipstick, again not a long lasting one. As I mentioned, I'm more into the creamy lipsticks at this moment, and that is why I will be recommending the Plum lipstick. I have recommended this before as well, but personally I love how creamy it is. I love the shade. It's a bit more dark, And if you feel that you want to apply it on an everyday basis, probably you can use a lighter lip liner and then blend it all together, or you can apply it as it is as well. Plum also makes some amazing lipsticks. Obviously it doesn't stay you all day long, but I think something at this price range for an everyday use is perfect, so why not check Plum as well. Lastly, talking about makeup as well, I want to talk about this mascara that I've been lately using. Obviously, I've used waterproof mascaras, but the hassle of removing it is for real. And on days when I just want a light makeup wherein I don't even feel like applying a kajal or an eyeliner, a good mascara which makes your eyes look really wide and stays on for a very very long time is enough. That's exactly when I saw this one from L18. I personally saw Alfia recommending it, Trendy Light. I think she had recommended this mascara as well. It's very very light, yet makes your eyes look really wide. Like, I'll quickly show. This is the wand, and I haven't applied anything, and within 2 to 3 strokes you can see the insane amount of difference it has given. I can definitely see a difference. Exactly why I have started using this one as well. That's about it. These were my monthly favorites and products that I've been using since quite some time, which has shown me some great results, and some products that I've loved using. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you follow my recommendations, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.